Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill's Lazy Pizza Day. Today we're celebrating National Pizza Day. Just a little fun fact, National Pizza Day started in the early 2000s. It was an ordinary day and I was studying the art of pizza. And while I was reading, I read about National Pizza Day and then it hit me. I need to make a pizza on National Pizza Day. So I was reading more and really study about it. Then an idea was born. Yes, Pizza Al Tartufo. And I got an idea in my head. And this is how it went. And of course it's a lazy pizza. So we're gonna use some pre-made pizza dough. And this one is a rectangle pizza. We're gonna use this delicious truffle tapenade. It's really delicious. We're also gonna use some mascarpone and mix it with the truffle. This is how it looks like. And give it a good mixing. Yes, this looks well mixed to me. Now we're gonna cover the whole bottom. And really smear it on there. Cover it with this delicious mascarpone and truffle goodie. We're also gonna add some red onions, and I pre-diced it. You know, lazy. And just, well, throw it on there. I also bought this beautiful Italian Buffelo Mozzerella. And we're gonna put chunks on it. You know, I like chunky cheese. Chunky cheese. It cracks me up every time. And we're also gonna add some more of the truffle tapenade. And we're gonna put it on the buffalo mozzarella. We're also gonna grind on some 4-season black pepper. Oh man, that's a really good pepper. First part of the pizza is done. And it will go in for 50 minutes on 200 degrees. This is how it looks like after 50 minutes baking. Beautiful. But it's not finished yet. We're gonna do something with it. First some beautiful rocket salad. Then some red onion rings. And you can put on as much as you want. Now some delicious Parma ham. And we're gonna put chunks on it. Just do it how you like it. And I like a little bit of everything. And lastly, we're gonna top it off with some extra mascarpone and truffle tapenade. Well, it's ready. Look at that. Pizza Al Tartufo. Delicious. We put some Parma ham on, some cheese, onion, some rocket salad. Delicious. Now, I really need a piece of this. I'm gonna try this. And I think I'm gonna like it. Just take out a square. Put on some onion and some greens. Look at that. Beautiful. Now, let's give this a taste. Delicious. If you're eating pizza right now, I wish you happy National Pizza Day. This is one of my best pizzas I ever made, and I really mean it. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel if you're new, give me a like, leave me a comment. You know I read my comments and I absolutely like reading my comments. You can also find me on Instagram, Sushi Chill and Grill. And for now, I'll let you enjoy this beautiful picture of this Pizza Al Tartufo.